this video, I'll show you how to delete all type of viruses and boost the performance of your Windows 10 or 11 PC and laptop in just 3 simple steps. By the end, you'll notice a significant improvement in your computer's performance. Let's get started. For the first step, we're going to clean up your disk. So let's click on the search box and type clean mgr and hit enter. Select disk cleanup from the suggestions. In the disk cleanup window, check all boxes including the recycle bin. If you don't need any deleted items, click on the temporary files to free up space. Click on clean up system files and then click on OK. For the second step, let's delete all the temporary files. So press the Windows key and R to open the run box. Type temp and hit OK. Now you need to press the Ctrl and A to select all the files and then press the delete key to delete everything. Close the window and let's repeat the process with the %temp% and prefetch. Type %temp% and the run box. Select all the files and delete them. Repeat the process and type prefetch. Select all the files and delete them. Step 3 is to run Windows Malicious software removal tool. Click on the search box and type MRT and hit enter. Click yes to open the Windows Malicious software removal tool and click next. Choose one of the scan options: quick scan if you are in a hurry, full scan for thorough check, recommended if you have time. Click next to start the scan and remove any detected infections. Now, one extra step is to remove any malware. So let's go to this link, I left it in the descriptions, and download the free malware removal tool. Follow the installation instructions. Open the tool and click on scan and remove any detected malware. After completing these steps, restart your PC. You'll find that all the viruses and malware have been removed and your computer's performance should be boosted. That's it for today. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Bye for now.